pangarap ko na rin since bata na sumikat. Hindi naman sa art, sa pagpinta, sa pagdrawing, sa pagkanta, sa music. Dughan kung subo. Sinabihan ako ni Mr. C.
Sakto na to. Bet ko to. Sakto to. Konti pa lang sinasabi kong ganon, pero wag mo akong papahiya.
I picked the song, Take a Look Inside My Heart. Yung message ng song kasi it's all about your heart. Hindi yung nakikita mo lang yan, yung nasa loob talaga.
Nobody ever is perfect even if they try. There may be times I let you down, but when I do, I hope you'll turn my heart around by reaching inside, reaching inside. Take a look inside my heart and you'll see I have so much love to give. Believe in me. Take a look inside my heart, share my love. Take a look, give it my heart, yeah. Take a look inside my heart and you'll see I have so much love to give. Believe in me. Take a look inside my heart, share my love. Take a look in my
Alright, Robert. Parang walang kabayon, pare, ah. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Medyo po.
Medyo.
Pero okay lang.
Okay lang. Alright, let's hear what the judges have to say. FM.
Alam mo, sa dimple pa lang, ulam na. Dimple pa lang, panalo na. Pero, you know, his relaxed style, effortless, exudes a confidence that stands out.
Alright.
And I think he's vocally equipped to be the first Philippine idol.
Alright, vocally equipped.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Pero ang nakapansin ng dimple, ikaw.
Ulam na.
Ulam na. Mamita, are you satisfied with his dimples?
Yes. Actually, I noticed a change in him from the first time that he auditioned. Pumayat ka?
Siguro po.
Pumayat ka, no?
Nag-diet
Gusto
lang
mo
po,
medyo
nag-diet.
maging sexy.
Thank you po.
No, you know why? Because in the Philippine Idol man, hindi lang, like Mr. C was saying, hindi lang naman ang boses eh. We have to look at the total look. Pero wala ka pang asawa doon.
Wala pa.
Wala pa, pwede na tayong dalawa. Okay na okay ka sa akin.
Salamat.
Alright. Maraming salamat, Mamita. Mr. C?
I will not backtrack. You are my bet.
Thank you po.
Hey! Mr. C, thank you very much. Judges, thank you. Pare, mabigat yung pinakawalan ni Mr. C.
Oo nga eh. Panay nag-challenge ang galing.
Alright. You're happy with the comments? You're happy?
Talaga po.
Alright. And if you guys at home are happy at bet nyo rin si Robert, gaya ni Mr. C, this is what you have to do. You text Robert to 2339 using Smart and any other network. At kung PLDT landline ang inyong gagamitin, all you have to do is dial 1908-5-IDOL-02. Pero you do that after the show when we tell you so. Kasi kung hindi, nako, hindi maboboto to si Joseph. Alright, we'll give you the go signal later. Mga taga Cebu, nanawagan ka na.
Mga taga Cebu, iboto ko ninyo. Thank you so much.
Alright, lahat ng mga galing Cebu, iboto niyo si Robert. Ito naman, si Robert ay galing Cebu.